We may be headed to the highest level of gold production ever. We spoke about this with Paul Burton of GFMS, the precious metals consultancy firm, at the Vancouver Cambridge House show. He mentioned that provisional figures show we are already up 3%.
What we've seen, in 2009 we saw gold production go up about 7%. And last year it went up again, about 3%. Now this is sort of counter to what a lot of the people say. They say gold production is actually going down, but our figures show, and they are provisional for 2010, but already we see a 3% increase, actually to the highest level of gold production ever, some 2,650 odd tons. So there's been, the last 2 years have been very, very good for the gold mining industry in terms of extending their output.
People following the price are not going to be happy to hear that, I assume.
Well, yes and no. It's not one of the major factors that plays in this gold market, as you know. It's a very complex market, and there's various other issues. And of course, a lot of on the demand side, there is the investment there to take it up at the moment, and that's obviously the key thing is the growth in investment we saw in 2009 and in 2010. Not at such high levels, but still probably the second highest level of investment demand for gold ever. So.
Which areas are we seeing the greatest mine production coming out of right now?
Well, of course, China's still number one in the world. A lot of that, I must say, though, comes out of its copper base metal smelters. Australia is number two in the world now, with the big Newmont's Boddington in Western Australia really came on stream in the last year or so, and that is one of the main reasons for the gold production actually increasing last year. A lot of them start from a very low base as an exploration type company. We're here at the Vancouver show, and there's something like 350 companies, and a lot of those are exploration companies, so they're not impacting on demand and supply at the moment. They hope to, a lot of them, hope to find something that they can then develop into a mine, but at the moment they're certainly not impacting. The reason they're here and active is because of the gold price, because there's more interest and they can raise money in the markets.
For Kitco News, I'm Daniela Cambone. Thanks for watching. Please send us your comments and questions at newsfeedback@kitco.com.